Wow! Para sa inyo pala. That's so nice.
Pero si yung premium, no?
Ano po sa ba?
Fuentes.
And the color. Where's the color, guys?
Saluko. Liberoso. Color? Glam.
Present. Pwede ng color.
Laganya. Laganya.
Pwede ka sa batak na.
Lapsil. Lapsil Yapon. Ramirez. Napora. Padato. Panay. Kaya Florida. Panggas. Restique. Uyan. Lim. Kalsi. Okay, since 30 minutes mo lang, no?
Pawai. Pawai, sir.
Maybe lang ay short activity lang naman. 30 minutes. So, about protection activity. Our objective in this activity is to allow students to reflect on how the digital learning affects their daily life, learning and social. So, about the lesson po, how you reflect according to your personal experiences. So, instruction is write one paragraph reflection, 5 to 7 complete sentences. Answering the right questions below. So, be honest, use your personal experience. Kung ikaw ang journal,
Sir, namukha mo.
number 1 question. How does digital technology help your daily life? What sentences?
Sir, namukha mo. Kung tatlo ka ni kagapon, sir, napapatay ka na sulat?
Number 2.
Assignment na lang na, sir.
What digital device do you use the most and why? Reflection ba? Yun na, sagot siya ako, yun. 5 to 7? Ano ba yung complete 5 to 7 lang. Number 3. How has the internet helped you in your studies and communication? Reflect ako sa inyo. Ano epekto sa individual activity? Number 4. What challenges or problems have you experienced with technology? Ano ang mga bad? Advantages, challenges, na imusunod sa inyo. And last, number 5, why is it important to use digital technology responsibly? Elaborate lang according to the word. Personal experiences, my so our rubrics is each question is divided into 50 points sum for a total of overall questions 200. So one whole. So yan mo sa 20 minutes.
Sir, 20 minutes.
Okay. Ibukan nyo lang anay.
Wow! Para sa inyo pala. That's so nice.
Pero si yung premium, no?
Ano po sa ba?
Fuentes.
And the color. Where's the color, guys?
Saluko. Liberoso. Color?